10 Cubans spotted at Trelawny Hotel taken into custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A group of 10 Cuban nationals were taken to the Falmouth Station lockup after they were held at a hotel in Trelawny early Saturday morning. Reports are that the police were alerted to the group of Spanish-speaking nationals after they were spotted at the hotel property sometime after 2 a.m. The police responded and a group of Cubans were taken to the Falmouth Public General Hospital for screening. They were subsequently taken to the Falmouth Police Station lockup. The Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency (PICA) and the Cuban Embassy were notified and are assisting the police in their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.